In this video we're going to explain in quite a lot of detail how to take the metro from Barajas airport to the center of Madrid. If you are arriving in Madrid by plane and want to find out all you need to know about the airport metro, this video is for you. Hola, I am Tony Galvez from Road Trips Spain and Portugal, where we help you plan the perfect trip with practical information and insider tips. While the channel is all about road trips, many people will arrive in Spain by plane before they get started on the road trip. And it is for you arriving in Madrid and wanting to use the airport metro line we dedicate this video. You might also want to check another video in the channel where we present all the different transportation alternatives you can use to leave Madrid airport, including the metro but also including the train, the buses and the taxis. Check it out. On this video you will find out where are the metro stations, how you can get to the stations, how to buy the tickets, how to use the metro, where will the metro take you, and what are the operating hours. So if you're ready, let's go to Madrid airport. that was our review of how to use Madrid's metro to go from the airport to the city. As mentioned on the video, if your accommodation is in the center of Madrid, you will likely need to connect to another metro line, as line 8 doesn't reach the city center. If you need help to work out the best combination to reach your specific accommodation, drop us a line below, we'll be delighted to help. Before we finish, you might have noticed we avoided mentioning prices in the video. Why? Because they quickly become outdated. So, instead of mentioning the prices in the video, what we have done is put them on a fixed comment right below the video. There you will find the most up-to-date costs of the Madrid Airport Metro. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, we'll be really grateful for it. And if you're new to the channel, take the opportunity to subscribe. It's just a click on the round button that will shortly appear on the screen. We'll see you soon on another video with tips for a road trip in Spain or Portugal. Até mais, hasta la próxima, see you soon!